Hello guys, hope you're all having a great day out there. Today I will be talking about a stock that I've had in my portfolio since September and I'm currently loading up on right now. The company I'm referring to is none other than Foot Locker, ticker symbol FL. For those of you who don't know what the company does, Foot Locker sells footwear and apparel in physical stores as well as online. The company has been around for quite some time now, but has recently been in a bit of a turnaround strategy due to the changes in how retailers operate. Companies such as Nike are selling their products directly to consumers and are expanding their online presence rapidly. Foot Locker stock has been beaten down by Wall Street analysts despite the company doing a phenomenal job of implementing their turnaround strategy. The company's recently made a $100 million investment in a popular sneakerhead app called GOAT. This decision opens Foot Locker up to the rapidly expanding shoe resale market and also allows the company to continue to strengthen their relationship with their loyal customers. The company has also expressed a desire to tap into the youth market and expand their apparel sales, both of which have a lot of growth potential in the future. Foot Locker has a major competitive advantage over other footwear and apparel retailers that some might not be able to see right now. That advantage is that they possess expertise of the market, which is reflected in their employees as well as their products. Ultimately, having this close connection with consumers is tied to their expertise and consistently focusing on satisfying their customers. I can tell you that I personally have never had a bad experience at Foot Locker or Champs, their subsidiary. Their employees know what they're talking about, their stores are always packed, and their selection of shoes always seems to display and set the latest trends in the athletic industry. Now, regarding financials alone, this company is a screaming buy for dividend and value investor alike. In this bull market, there are very few retail stocks that are on sale. However, these ratios just really blew me away when I took a look. The company is actually trading at around $39 off of its 52-week high of $68. The company has a forward PE of just over 7, which for retail is just insane, has a PEG of 1.08, a price to sales ratio just above 5, and a book value of $23. The stock also pays a dividend of just under 4% with a solid payout ratio of just over 30%. Year over year, the company has been able to, for the most part, consistently increase revenues by double digits and currently holds a very attractive balance sheet as well. Their cash and cash equivalents are well above the company's debt load, and of course, you always want to have a greater amount of assets than liabilities, which they do. Now, of course, we also need to look at their recent earnings report, which actually beat estimates for the second quarter in a row now by around 5% in this quarter. In the conference call, the company stated that they made a $3 million strategic investment in an exciting new video e-commerce and content platform. The company also stated it was closing about 100 underperforming stores and opening and remodeling 250 new ones due to the major shifts in retail taking place at the moment. The company has also expanded to other parts of the globe, such as Asia, which allows for a lot more growth and branching out rapidly to growing markets such as China. Since then, the stock has traded down, however, due to the bearish outlook on retail stores in general. Additionally, I really like the CEO of Foot Locker. His name is Richard Johnson, and he has actually been able to identify the consumer trends in this changing industry and is mainly behind the successful turnaround of the company. He's been with Foot Locker for around 5 years now and actually has half of his net worth, around $14 million, invested into the company. This personally tells me that he really believes in the company and has a lot on the line regarding the success of the company in the future. Now, as a disclaimer, this brief analysis does not go into depth on all the benefits and downsides to potentially buying this stock, and I recommend you all research the company more to ensure that you really believe in the company as well. If you want me to give insight onto any stocks you guys are currently holding, type the ticker symbol down in the comments and I'll reply. Thank you all and hope you have a great day.